right? Now this is the example from the book. This is the example from the book. Two types of question. Okay, there are two types of question. The first type of question is they give you the value of z. They want probability of z greater than 0.235. They want probability of z greater than 235, right? So it means the graph means like that, right? This is the z distribution, and the 0.235 is on the right hand side, and they want probability greater than this. So this one you can use the calculator. So use the calculator, you go to statistic mode, right? You go to statistic mode here, right? Then greater than, you choose R. You type R, right? You type R. Then after you type R, you type this number there. Okay. After you type R, you type 0.235. What is the answer? Can you, do you have your calculator with you?
Yes, yes, zero
What's the
point
number?
four zero seven one.
0.4071, correct. Okay. Okay, right. Now, another type of question is like this. They will tell you, A, probability of Z greater than A is 0.3851. A, are they the same type of question or not? These two, 18 and 19, different. They are different type of question. The number 18, they give you the Z, ask you to find the probability. Then the number 2 here, question number 19 here, they give you the probability, ask you to find the value of Z. Now this question is difficult. You have to use the table. You cannot use the calculator. The calculator cannot give you the answer. How to find the
Teacher,
table? Yes.
if exam come out this question, they will give the table.
This question is on the first page of the exam paper.
ABC.
This is, can you see this exam paper? Okay.
Yes.
Right. So the formula is on the first page. Can you see formula on the first page? The formula is on the last page, I think. The formula is on the last page. The table is on the last page. Table is on the last page. This is exam paper. Okay, exam paper.
Okay.
First page formula, last page the table, right? Have to
Okay.
use table or not? Okay, right. So you know what to do, right? This kind of question, number 2 is very difficult, but you don't worry. I'm going to show you how to find the table also. If you don't know how to find table, I'm going to show you. Okay, now we look at question number B. Probability of Z less than negative 2.122. Okay, now this one you use P, Q or R inside your calculator. Less than.
Uh, Less than the
Which one?
the
P, Q or R?
R
R is greater than.
P.
P is less than. You see the arrangement there. Q is at the center. P is on the left. Q is on the right. So on the left one is less than. On the right one is greater than, right? So you want less than. So you use R, right? Sorry, use P. Talk also wrongly, right? So we're going to less than, we're going to use P. And if your calculator, if you are using the table, this table here, you cannot find the value one, because this table only give you the right hand side. They cannot give you the left hand side. Do you know what I mean or not? This table here, if you read the
Yes.
table, what they say, the upper tail probability for normal distribution. So they only give you the upper tail. This one, they ask for the lower tail, right? Only your calculator can give you this one. So how to use your calculator? You probability of Z less than negative 2.122, you just type P there, because less than is P. Your calculator, no, this one is not our standard mathematics symbol. This one, in the exam, you don't write this. You don't write this. In the exam, you don't write this. This one is the symbol from the calculator. Same thing, exam, you don't write this. This one is for the calculator only. Can or not? Can remember or not? Don't go and write this R. These are not standard formula. No,
Okay, teacher.
this one I write there because I tell you which part of the calculator you are referring to. In the exam, you just write this, right? You just write this and you write this. Don't write the R there. Same thing, in the exam, you don't write this P, no need. Calculator, this is the calculator language. So less than, you can actually type the negative number there. The good thing about your calculator is you can type negative number. Whereas in your table here, there is no negative number. So you cannot find the probability straight away, right? So use your calculator, you type negative. Do you know how to type negative or not? There's a negative button here. There's a
Yes, teacher.
negative button, right? Don't use the minus sign. Cannot, not this one. You use the negative button at the top there. Okay, so you use the negative button. So can you get the answer or not? You type and see. Take out your calculator and type.
Yes, get 0.016919.
Can others can. Sherwin can or not? Sherwin, can you use the calculator to find 0.01692? Jiayan can find or not? Use the calculator. Okay, right. Next question. Probability of Z greater than or equal to. Now, whether it's greater than or equal to or no equal sign, still the same. You just type the value and find the answer. You see here got no equal sign. The question A and question B, no equal sign. Question C has equal sign. One of the characteristic of normal distribution is whether there is equal sign or no equal sign, the probability is the same, right? The probability is the same. So you don't worry. So which one you use, P, Q, or R? This one. Question C.
This one use
Greater than.
R.
R, correct. You use R, right? So you use R and you type the negative number there. If you are using the table, the teacher teach you use table or use calculator? The teacher teach use calculator or table? Well, you use the table, or if the negative one, they cannot find on the table, cannot find the negative number. So you use the calculator is the easiest. Don't worry about how to use the table, right? Use calculator straight
Okay,
away.
teacher.
0.89233. Can you find or not?
233.
Can you
Yes.
find or not?
Yes.
Can. Other girls, even can or not? Can you use the calculator to find Z greater than negative 1.239? Can you put the thumb there? Can. Sure, can. Right. Okay, right. Next one. Probability of Z less than 2.4. You just type only, no need to worry. Or you only need to worry, use P, Q, or R. Now I ask you, D, use P, Q, or R?
P.
P, correct. Okay, now this one is less than, no? Less than. So less than, you use P. Right? What is the answer? P less than 2, 3. You don't have to worry whether the number is positive or negative. You just use the calculator. If positive, you type a positive number. If negative, you type a negative number. They will come out straight away. But unlike the table, if it is a positive number, you can use. If it's a negative number, you cannot use the table, right? So very difficult. And also the table will only give you the upper tail. They cannot give you the less than value. They cannot give you the lower tail. So that is another problem with the table, right? So if you are using the calculator, no worry. Upper tail, lower tail, positive number, negative number, you just use calculator. Okay, so everyone can get this number, 99292.
Can, teacher.
Can. Sherbin, can or not? Can. Okay, good. Next one. This one you have